Hello, in this video you will learn how to type greater than or equal symbol on keyboard. Normally these kind of symbols required in the mathematic operators. Let me open my own screen keyboard. What you have to do is you need to press the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 242 and release the Alt key. Here you can see the greater than or equal symbol is inserted. Make sure your numeric key is on. The second method is that you need to click on insert and then on the right side click on symbol and then go to the more symbols. And here you need to select normal text and in the subset menu you need to select mathematical operators. So I have already selected, you need to click on that. And here you can see that greater than symbol. You need to click on insert and close it. And here you can see that the less greater than or equal symbol has been inserted. So in this way you can easily learn how to type greater than or equal symbol on keyboard. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you think the video is helpful, please comment, share and subscribe and thanks for watching.